Hello friends, welcome to my next video tutorial on Java for beginners. In this video, I am going to talk about the static blocks in Java. How you can initialize static variables in Java. If we have not given any value to static variables for initialization, then static variables are initialized with the default values like 0 for integer, null for string, false for a boolean, etc. so on. Okay. But if we want to initialize the static variables with some values, we can simply give explicit values directly to the static variables inside a constructor or outside the constructor. Okay, just simply give values just like any other normal variables. So apart from these two ways, there is another way to initialize the static variables. For that, what we need to do? We need to use a special block called the static block. Okay, now let's see in this program, there is static integer id variable, and after that there is a static block here, and just having opening brackets and closing brackets, and I have written static over here, where inside which I have said id is 10 and just printing hi, I am in first static block, and then below this there is another static block again, and here id is 20 and I am printing message hi, I am in second static block. Okay, no problem, right? We can have several static blocks that define separately, but what will happen? All the static blocks are combined into a single big static blocks starting from top to bottom like this. And after these static blocks, we have a constructor here at the bottom, and I will say system.out println hi, I am in constructor. Okay, now I will go to the main method. So here I have simply created an object of a person. Okay, now if we run the program, our program first executes this static block here. Here we are just assigning value 10 to static variable id, and then this statement will execute and say hi, I am in first static block. Then second static block will run. Here id value changed to 20 and I will print hi, I am in second static block. Okay, and after these two blocks, constructor gets executed. Here it will print hi, I am in constructor. So have you noticed that static block are always executed before the constructor get called? And if you print the id value, it will print the latest assigned value, that is 20. Okay, so this is about static blocks. There are some important points about static blocks. These points are: static block are always run before the object is created. So that's why we have seen in my last program static block messages printed before the constructor message. Okay, static blocks in Java is executed before main method. If we declare a static block in Java class, it is executed when class loads. Okay, static block in Java initialized when class loads into memory. If we have more than one static block, then all the blocks are cascaded in the order in which we wrote them. Okay, and always try to use a static initialization block whenever we want to give values to static variables. Also, we can use static blocks to execute some other statements like system.out.println statements for printing some messages, right? So this is all about static blocks. I will discuss about static methods in my next video. So please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.